Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Combining Canva and Fiverr can be a powerful way to make money by offering graphic design services. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can utilize these platforms together. 1. Enhance your Canva skills. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals without extensive design knowledge. Familiarize yourself with Canva's features, templates, and design elements. Learn about typography, color theory, and composition to create professional designs. 2. Create a portfolio. Before you start offering your services on Fiverr, build a portfolio showcasing your best Canva designs. Include various design styles and examples of different types of graphics such as social media posts, logos, infographics, or marketing materials. A strong portfolio will attract potential clients. 3. Set up a Fiverr account. Sign up on Fiverr.com as a seller and create a profile that highlights your skills and experience in graphic design. Choose a relevant category, such as graphics and design, and select specific services you can provide using Canva. 4. Define your services. Determine what specific graphic design services you'll offer on Fiverr. For example, you could provide social media graphics, logo designs, business card designs, ebook covers, or presentation templates. Clearly communicate your offerings in your Fiverr gig descriptions. 5. Optimize your Fiverr gig. Craft compelling gig titles and descriptions that highlight your Canva skills and the value you can provide. Use relevant keywords to help potential clients find your gigs. Add attractive visuals to your gig gallery to showcase your design style. 6. Determine pricing. Set competitive prices for your services based on your skill level, market demand, and the complexity of the projects. As a beginner, you may want to start with lower prices to attract initial clients and build your reputation. Increase your rates as you gain experience and positive feedback. 7. Offer upsells and packages. Create gig packages or additional services to increase your earnings. For example, you can offer faster delivery options, source file availability, or revisions for an additional fee. Providing these extras can differentiate you from other sellers and increase your revenue. 8. Promote your Fiverr gigs. Utilize social media platforms, such as Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, to promote your Fiverr gigs. Share snippets of your designs, offer tips, and engage with your target audience. Participate in relevant online communities or forums to establish yourself as an expert in graphic design. 9. Provide exceptional customer service. Deliver high-quality designs on time and communicate effectively with your clients. Understand their requirements, provide regular updates, and be responsive to their feedback. Positive reviews and client satisfaction are crucial for building your reputation and attracting more clients. 10. Expand your services. As you gain experience and confidence, consider expanding your offerings beyond Canva. Learn more advanced graphic design tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to offer a broader range of services and cater to clients with specific design needs. Remember, success on platforms like Fiverr requires patience, dedication, and continuous improvement. By combining your Canva skills with Fiverr's marketplace, you can leverage your design expertise to make money and build a thriving freelance career. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.